hello, how are you all doing? Welcome along to the Fèis Paislig's Tutors Ceilidh as part of Fèis Online. I'm Gary Innes, and well, I've been tasked as the MC for the evening, which I'm absolutely delighted with. The annual Tutors Ceilidh is one of the highlights of any annual Fèis week. And well, although we can't be with you in person, we hope you've got your partners ready at home for an absolute cracker of a dance. And they kick off this evening with the Gay Gordons and the tunes The Battle of Waterloo and Flet from Flotta, led by Megan McDonald on the box. So take your partners for the first time this evening, please, for a Gay Gordons. Well done, the dancers at home and in the kitchen. Two crackers there in the Battle of Waterloo and Flet from Flotta. Well, the next dance is a military two-step, so stay in your couples. And from the box, led by Megan, we're now shifting to the pipes with Mr. Scott Wood. And the tunes this time are The Gathering and Dr. Flora Macaulay of Carradale. If you want to swap partners, be quick, because the band are about to take it away. Well done, the dancers, once again. Terrific stuff. Well, we'll let you take a little break and catch your breath for a moment as we introduce tonight's band. And we start with Caitlin Ross on guitar, Megan McDonald on accordion, Rachel Hare on clarsach, Ron Jappy on fiddle, guitar and keys. He's a busy boy. Sally Simpson on fiddle, Sarah McNeil on clarsach, and Scott Wood on pipes and whistle, with that absolute chancer, Stevie Fivey on cajon. And they're just some of the tutors that have created lessons for this year's Fèis Online. And if you haven't checked it out already, there are 13 new courses available for all levels, including lessons in music, dance, drama, filmmaking, and much, much more. And you can find out more about all those by signing up at www.feispashlig.com. Well, now time for something special as we listen to a song or two of the finest voices in the Fèis, and indeed even in Scotland. They are, of course, Ailey Cormac, this year's singing tutor, and Ainsley Hamill, our step dance tutor for 2020. And of course, coming together for this next song, they have Mr. Ron Jappy looking after them on accompaniment. The song itself is Air Far and La. A beautiful rendition of Inferin La from Ailey Cormac and Ainsley Hamill. Well, it's back to the dance floor now, and we're going to slow things down, but still in your couples for a St Bernard's Waltz, and this time led by the wonderful Sally Simpson on fiddle. Our tunes are Farrakhan and Hetty's Waltz and Margaret's Waltz. hope there was plenty Fèis love in the air after that St Bernard's waltz. And I'm afraid we found ourselves at the last dance already of the evening, but it's a Canadian barn dance, so just keep a hold of the same partner as they kick off with Donald McLean's Farewell to Oban and Mrs H.L. MacDonald of the Nacht. Of course, with Ron Jappy once again on fiddle and keys, the wonders of technology. What an ending indeed. Donald McLean's Farewell to Oban and Mrs H.L. MacDonald of the Nacht. Well, I'm afraid that's it for today. A huge thank you to all our tutors and to all of our dancers at home and around the world. Don't forget, Fèis Online is available all summer for young people to learn something new at home. So please do check out www.feispaslig.com today. And we hope to see you back dancing with us in person, well, in the very near future. From myself, Gary Innes, we'll hopefully see you very, very soon too. Until then, Aikava. Cheers.